What is up, everybody? My name is King BT. Welcome to the very first episode of our podcast. It's called Unfiltered Buffet 2. We are here in Bramfontein next to drama, so the vibes are already on Buffet 2. Petu burning up and Petu Stan and Petu Sios. So first of all, I'll start on my right, Mustana. Jaka,
Nchaka.
Umnandi.
Stay.
Umnandi. Can you introduce yourself to maybe people who are not familiar with Stana? Tell them what you're all about. Jaya.
Yeah. By the way, I'm Stana, like you said. I'm just a simple nigga, I'm a fashion killer. Fashionista, I'd say.
Fair.
That's all I'd say.
Okay, Sios. Jinta.
Feed. Msios feed. Yeah, as kids pie.
As a kiss pie.
Yeah.
We are the Orange Farm.
Yeah.
Shout out Orange Farm bafethu.
Yeah.
Zinje zasevana. So phela bafethu yazi le weekend esibuya kiyo. Hayi
Hey,
ngithini ngayo bafethu?
Pie on feed.
Athini ma fridge allowance on skipper.
Athina vela sikhola. Usazi nini?
No bafethu, hey, I'm saying this because yo, why bafethu lezinto enzenze ama rest, the things you do.
ish.
Yo. Yini obonile this weekend, bro?
Hey, fine. Hey, we could shoot some
Shoo, boy. You, Faith, I can tell you now it's Sunday, but already allowances 0-0. Nothing. Nothing.
Ngiyanyiwa.
Any of it. So can you describe the Martin, the feeling of Kale Bramfontein? How's it like? Kale Resi and stuff for the viewers, Mji.
It's nice. Kuphukisa body count feel. Ngisa. Body count feel kuya.
It's the body count stand.
Ngisa.
Don, he left.
Yeah.
Uichichi.
Uichichi.
What's that?
Yeah.
My gosh. Sepamilule am feel.
I no, Madam Faith. We are calling the show. We are calling the show Unfiltered. So please be unfiltered. Stan.
Yes.
Teeny body count. Yes, I'm serious. Yeah.
Yeah, stop.
Oh yes.
Stop.
Okay.
I feel like.
Can I guess? Yeah.
You want to guess?
I don't know. Can I? I'm asking. Can I? I can guess.
Not a problem.
Okay. Okay. Food buffet. But it's fun when told.
I feel that. I will tell you no man.
Yo buffet. I say I should shandis buffet. It's cut to have told. Some hours, but then Stana, I think your body counts. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Eh? Is it in the high single digits?
It's
Around
not a single
9,
digit.
8.
It's not a single digit.
Ow! Jose!
But I'm not
Puti!
proud. I'm not proud.
You're not proud?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't want to promote Ufem or something?
Yeah.
Ganja.
I'm a genuine guy. I'm a chill guy. So
Yeah,
a lot of stuff.
yeah.
It's making us like.
I get you.
Yeah.
Nah, but Buffet, this podcast, this first episode, is just for you guys to know our personalities. There was simple the crazy things we see at rest. Serious.
Food.
Hey, ngizindaba la.
Bathini pause.
Azi ngizwa bathi eKSI, as a KSI. Bathi unogelo obanjwe amajita ayi2 ethwele.
I'm shy feed.
Yamshaya.
Feed.
Buffet.
Usichira umuntu ekhasi.
Uyokhipha malini for ilobola Feli? Uyokhipha malini?
Umshiyozo nestori.
Sithini sito sakhona?
Skipeni zona nizobathi bonabantwana ethweleni.
Nginabatwana ngapha. Yeah. Absiyos. No. Asibala amagama Msiyos. We're not gonna mention the names, ne? But please tell us that story mfana.
Yes, baba. Abantwana ngibehleli nabo siphuza.
Sure.
Bafuna etoilet. Ngiyabakhapha like. Mfethu ngibakade ukuthi amashitanga ngini. For the safety of the girls.
Then bathini bona ngomsiyos, bathi Msiyos. Thanda imvana.
Ngithola.
Feli. Bebangaka.
Beba4.
Jacob Sio. Bafethu already ngiyezwa nje indaba. Wena kwenza nix ngestand.
Next yangazi mina kana.
It's the feed.
Baizi the face. Wenzi.
Yabangani umbonisile design ngokubatla umshado. Umbonisile ukuthi kumele umshado namhlanje. Into bekazenza.
Ngiyathola bafethu.
Ngithola.
I'm loyal niggas to the world, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, technical difficulties, but we'll continue. Bafethu, so have you been to drama? Who has been to drama?
Hayi. Mstana mfethu.
Akwazi wa drama.
I've been to drama.
So how's drama like, bro? Because
Oh,
from the outside, it looks like a small club, an exclusive club. Mina vele ifeli bafethu, I've never been to drama because ufila ngathi bazokubheka man. Yo, it's indawo incane or maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, the place is actually small. But it gets packed.
Okay, pokotho okuncane.
But it gets packed.
Not Pokotho,
somehow.
indawo.
Hafi.
Baba, we've been to Cosmopolitan. Shout out Cosmopolitan, shout out Maboni. So drama is nothing to us. Put it next to us. Ubarish no Ubarish as promised. But then stand. Bosakulu, my boy.
Yeah, I said it is small. But it
Yeah.
gets packed, you know?
Yeah.
And I'd say it's more advisable to go there than Maboni because you know
Yeah.
the quality of store over there, yeah, it's on another level. There's only one problem.
Yeah.
The ballers when they come in, you know, it's shy.
Yini manje amabhola.
iPhone double. Definitely.
The
Yeah.
ballers when
The
ballers
ballers.
come in.
That's what I'm thinking. But see, at drama number one, the place is small, ne?
Mm.
Awuna mali. Qale lapho. Thothi wena your budget is not more than 300 or 400. Let's be honest.
Ngicabanga.
And then you get there, you find someone with a budget at 20k. Shuna.
Tete labanye.
You know,
Setela abanye.
Ah.
sometimes what you speak can go a long way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Meaning,
it depends if you're nice. If you're
You're
not
nice.
nice,
nice man, but
Like,
not about Tandy
no,
man.
no,
Much what you speak like
No,
shasha
yeah.
stuff.
yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
But then let's say you're shy, and then if you cheater, ati by like 12 my ice tropez. You should get zo refuse or
One. If umogele kahle la,
sure.
obvious. Ugele kumele akuhalele nawe ntwana.
Yeah.
Ngithola ukuthi umphathe kahle. Umgawule le.
Njengoba
I think it's leading me to my next question, Stan. So when ushukuthi when ungagcoca ugele, uthi ugele ukuthi ashimali eze kufeli.
Ashimali.
Yeah. Like, do you think when you could provide more value than money?
Mamnandi ntwana.
Sure.
Whatever you say to
Yeah.
that girl, you can promise her, I don't know, tell her that you have 5 Hennessy's in your room or something. Y'all should leave. You don't have money now.
Yeah.
She will leave, my dog. No
Basically,
matter if
umasha hafi.
no
Umasha.
matter if the baller comes
Problem.
there,
Flop remember.
Why trying to tap them out?
No.
That's my
Obviously,
question.
you're winning a battle. Ufuna ukumshaya, I feel. Let's
Mama.
say she's the only option there.
Nah, no worries. But Stan, I don't think a girl can be the option, only option in drama.
Look.
Ama
I'm
yini
not saying-
sana yakho baba.
I'm not saying the
Yeah.
only option like that. I'm
Yes.
saying the only option that you sure about to go
Yeah.
from there.
Awuzeke umbhebheli bafethu. Hayi bafethu mantwana asejoza yagijima. Busisweni bagadeni. Yangithola.
Ayagijima, mfethu.
So, nibonile ishow ka-King Ginger.
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Sure.
Bathini sizokulanda.
Oh.
Usiyozi bazokulanda.
Yeah, a lot of niggas are lost.
Because bafethu, you know what you
No,
guys
no,
do,
not
ne?
even niggas. I'm not being
No, because
somehow.
you know what these niggas do, ne? Especially guys, because bokele baya endlini mfana. Like they go back home. Nina,
No, the place
bagcine
you were just
sharawa.
speaking about,
Hayi
Mabone.
baba.
The place you were just speaking about,
Yeah.
Mabone. My dog. Don't tell
See,
me
what?
about Mabone heart. That one you are June.
Sure.
Groove when you go to Mabone.
Yeah.
Bro, the hands there. Yo, bro. They move
Serious.
club to club.
Mm.
You know, they move club to club. So obviously, and Mabone, you know what time the clubs they close.
But
In the morning, my dog. So in the morning, it's time to operate. You must start with it. So
Stan, you know my question. What my question is, ne?
okay.
Uthi bazokulanda now.
Ada.
Meaning, uyafona ekhaya.
Taking there.
I don't get your question.
You don't know the show, ne? You didn't see the show.
I didn't see
The
it.
show-
But
the show-
I've heard,
Yeah, the show is about kids, ne? who come to rest, and then they are busy asking their parents for money, ne? But then they are not visiting, they are not calling, they are not sharing the results. Basically, this
Also,
guy,
that's what the show is about.
yes, yes.
Okay.
So, bazokulanda na, do you share your results?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Every time.
Shoot. Namthemba msiyosi.
Understand?
Yeah.
Ngiyamthemba file.
I feel it.
I
Wena.
go home almost every week.
Mina.
Wena.
Huh?
Young determined. Shout out Young determined.
Yeah, like I said, I go home almost every week. You also know.
Yeah. But phela you can't be sure, Stan, because phela labo mashaya feel that rest. So you don't know where you're going. So I'm a picture. So that's what I'll say about
What's it?
faith.
Nafid.
What's the na faith? Serious. How is it like? Who's that? 3 or 4 days in a row.
Mnandi file.
Nandi.
Yeah, ya TikTok.
Pakatan. Sunday today, guys.
Angitrend file.
Right. Ale nini ukuthi
Hayi mina. Sadizolo file.
that is all of it. I the podcast lab so angazisenza kanjani afuneka bayibone bazali feli guys. This is a space for us ukuthi sikhulume ama secrets
Namba
wethu.
ngayibona file.
Huh? Should just call
Namba
face.
ngayibona file.
Squad
Na-ID
face.
phone.
I have an ID. By the way, you are my ID, my face. Didn't need it, dog.
Kuba, look.
Hey, Baba. People at the time around starting much, people were like, yo, eyes, open on the flat screen fade. Kono pumile in the flat screen.
Ah, basang balut.
What's all in village was I was not here.
Namba ngikhola ngisekhasi file.
Nothing happened in Brown, but I think Newtown. That's yeah.
This is Mingale Akostana feed. Yeah, guys. So, Lai Josie apparently it wasn't that big, ne? Much.
There was nothing going on. Okay, where I stay, there was nothing going on. Everything was operational as usual. So before I left, drama was quiet. Like no student was on the streets and stuff. So okay, I could see something's going on.
Ngithanda idrama
Yeah.
bafile.
You could see
but
there's something
damage.
going on, but it was just empty. So I
Yeah.
just saw videos from those sides and Midtown and people side.
Jeez, keep up.
Yeah. So yeah, nothing much happening, bro. Yeah.
By the way, just to give you some context, we are shooting with this camera, which is not such well. And then we have that camera over there, and then we had one here, but kwenzeka izinto. So yeah, ngicela abobhuti wami la behind the scenes. Alifuni ukuthi amachita. And again, as real quickly, let's talk about the World Cup, youth.
Yeah.
Obviously, we are out here representing South Africa. Congratulations, obviously. Shaizan. At least, my faith, this time they did us proud, man. They tried, ne?
I'm not proud.
Come on. Skip on.
I'm not proud.
Why?
Baba.
Hey, this sounds like a Ronaldo
Teacher.
situation here.
Ronaldo situation. Yo.
Sounds like a Ronaldo
Some people's
situation.
goals. And my friends are Ronaldo. Why my friends are Ronaldo? Come on, fan.
Kanjani?
Yeah.
Nakamis.
Eh?
Nani mo?
Next.
Yes, man.
Next.
Tina Baba appreciate good footballers.
Exactly.
Nina, I don't know.
Appreciate a greatness.
Greatness.
Yeah.
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 But then you don't appreciate the greatest. You appreciate greatness, but not the greatest.
Why mele ngivuma ukuthi Messi is the greatest?
Because facts.
Hey, put.
But facts. Asikho la.
Like what?
Huh?
Like what?
Most Ballon d'Ors.
Uyinyembezi.
Ah.
Baningi
That's one.
abakhala.
That time Ronaldo had 5, Messi I think had 4. If I'm not mistaken. Man, who had more? Who had more? That time Ronaldo got 5 Ballon d'Ors. Who had more?
Messi.
Messi.
Yeah,
I'm not sure. I think there was a time where Ronaldo and Messi were equal 5-5. Ne? Then Ballon d'Or, my friends were Ronaldo behind Real. But then we start away.
Yeah.
But as you go there, Ninja World Cup of it held in the USA. So do you think Spain deserve that That that's it. That trophy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
give the small boys flowers, you know?
Yeah.
He did it shit.
Who?
Sorry. Sorry for the language, but
Nah, no, it's fine. Who did this shit?
Who, man? Wayazaba.
yeah man.
Ah.
Nah, I
Hey.
think Yamal. Although I'm a Barcelona fan, I think I got perform the tournament by
You
too.
think so?
Because it's because yeah, when I be he was trying, but you could see this is not the Lamine
No,
Yamal
as
from
in
last
as in
season.
an achievement for his first
Yeah,
World Cup,
yeah.
you know? So yeah.
But Buffet to me, I don't know, man. I wanna get your take on this while we are on like football. Nifila njani ukuthi my individual trophies like Ballon d'Ors, Player of the Seasons and stuff, they get decided on a team. You understand?
The Kenyan folks.
Isn't a Ballon d'Or a trophy whereby it's an individual award?
Yeah.
So why does it matter what is Rodri won the World Cup, Ban won the Champions League? What if mina bengishisa kunabo bonke but I never reached there because of my team?
Bushisa kanjani wawina nge-Champions League ngawina nini ngawina
Yeah, defend, I mean.
Yeah.
My goalkeeper, my defend. Because I feel like the game is flawed now. You can't say this is the best player, but then this player was carried by his team. How is he the best player?
Uvumelana nawo. Yeah, yabo yangichaza bro. Yeah.
How much Sushisa won, but it's fine.
Eish. Aish.
No, the mic. Umuntu uzushaya sana mic.
Yashisa imizi.
Messi.
I-World Cup yadisi wenzeni fethu efinally.
At 39 years old.
Wenzeni finally.
8 goals, 9 goals.
Finally.
Huh?
Finally.
Guys, you can't judge a player based on one goal.
Finally.
That's why, but he,
Finally.
form is temporal, class is permanent.
Now as much as final.
So,
Which mean like finally, bab. Huh?
But now, my pictures on my Instagram influencers, yeah, it's no later, man. And it's from my crash with. Yeah, star.
This guy star.
I'm gonna give
No, but for the purpose of putting Singapore and my privacy, just from my influence.
okay.
Yeah, not just normal people, but what you just expose and stuff. So, yeah, maybe City, it threshold City 100k followers.
Okay, wait. Let's just rate
Sure.
the influence.
Yeah. But what is posing guys? It's paleta this. No. No pega la paga
Yeah. Can I borrow food? I don't need.
Ano man ngathi ngenzwakala kakhulu.
No, I forgot.
Ana Instagram. Ana iPhone yakho kanje. Okay. Just one question ke. Stan,
Yeah.
who's your celebrity crush and why?
Celebrity.
Or influencer crush?
Yo. I can't say. That's considered cheating, and I'm.
Nah. Stan, why police? This is unfiltered. Why are you filtering yourself?
I'm not filtering.
You're just giving out a name.
Look, I'm not filtering myself. I'm just
Yeah?
respecting my partner.
You have a partner.
Yeah.
You think your partner would be mad at you?
She.
Baby mama fade. Okay, man. Man, I have a question. So you think your partner would consider you to be a cheater if you just mention who your celebrity crush? Are you gonna meet your celebrity crush?
Ushayini baba mina utshela bahume.
Bahom.
No.
Borisa.
Ah.
Nini wami.
Guys, nasi isithombe sika Bahom. Bahom.
Borisa. Alesi record. Ayashisa fethu.
Hayi baba bayasibulala ke.
Okay.
Sure.
Maruba home, yeah.
Ewami nje.
Mina, I'd
Yeah.
say a celebrity crush right now.
Asachiti manje.
I should understand.
Wait.
But don't compare yourself to her if you're gonna see it. You are perfect the way you are. Okay. Move on. So as I was saying, I don't have a celebrity crush. I have an influence.
And I think I know him
Who's that?
from Open Chat. Go on, Shadi.
Ish.
Ayinistoko feli yo. But isn't she
But
like
no, but
kinda
no,
wretched nyana?
but no. I got two crushes.
Before you go to your other crush. Khuluma ngoSharlene manje. Akekho wretched nyana.
Wretched. No.
Like ngathini? Wild. Ngayibeka ngithi wild or something like that.
Yeah, I like her.
Like wild.
Yeah.
Until like ask Moti.
She's not that type. Nah, I don't think she's that type. Yeah.
What makes you sure?
What makes me sure?
Yeah.
Yo, I watched all her episodes and
So showing I'm stuck.
no, I'm not stalking.
No, but one thing I'll say about post like
I'm
in
a follower on
content.
Instagram, so it makes no difference.
Understand?
Mm.
One thing I'll tell you about content. Just with people are not the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
So it means the character yakhe, ne? It could be a character, but what if you saw real life?
Look,
Yeah?
it could, if it is a character, that means I'm right. I like how she is
Yeah.
because it's actually the opposite of what she's saying on the podcast. You get?
Yeah.
Yeah. So on the podcast, she acts, I don't know, like, but some type of way, you know, I can't explain, but like, yeah.
No, Uti.
Like
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on.
you just want a final answer.
Final answer. Ne?
Yeah, and that's
what makes you so
What?
sure
So
of
okay,
being-
Stana. I'm gonna ask you a simple question.
Feed.
Do you like the character that she is on the show, or do you think she's different outside of the show?
I think she's different. She acts bold and you know, gotta get labor.
Sure.
And you know, and when she really falls in love, it doesn't turn out that way.
Yo. So how do you know what she really fell in love?
No, how do I know?
Phela umazi lo muntu real life. That's why I'm asking this question.
Nah, bro, some things I can't explain, but like I know.
You know.
Yeah.
I no further questions, Stana. It's yours.
Good.
No.
Okay, you wanted to give another chance, ne?
See that one.
Yeah.
That one, I wouldn't even lie. I would say it like straight up. That one, I love her for the money also. Oh, she's bad. But apparently, apparently,
Legend.
yeah, allegedly.
Hmm?
Gabby. Yo,
Okay.
God. Yeah,
Which Gabby?
Gabby. You don't know who Gabby is?
Nah.
The light skin. She's pale in skin color.
Over from like South Africa.
Yeah, she's from South Africa.
Nah.
Yeah, apparently.
Maybe we'll try and-
scam fake.
Guys.
Yeah,
Okay,
scam abantu.
Let me search her up.
First.
Guys, my Facebook page and
Bro,
I'll
I'm
start
online.
on
I'm
it.
outside.
Side,
I'm
niggas.
outside. Yes, kid.
Okay, so that's your other crush. Can you just search it, guys? Ustan. I wanna see. I respect your answer on Charlene. But personally, I think people hype up their personalities whenever they go to this podcast. You can't tell me, Guti.
Yeah, the way she acts on the podcast.
It's like too much. Like,
The way
Raz, do you think they drink before they shoot those things?
Yeah, bad food.
Apples. But do they drink like during?
Oh, babu, bad food.
Well, I mean, I don't watch this podcast. That isn't in podcast and chill. Thank you, fact check away to busy ngabantu but the mystical Mswati. Onjani?
Njalo. Na camera put. Put the camera.
You know when you edit your how editor
Put.
But guys, you must remember, guys, this is it's gonna be almost an hour long podcast. Angithanda ama light skin kanje.
Timbo.
Yeah.
It's like
I like this type of light skin.
ngathi ubani? No Ice Spice mos.
Yeah, I spice. Yeah.
I mean, that's too much milk, bruh.
Oh,
I like my tea with some coffee,
Yeah.
dark coffee.
Apparently,
Candy.
she's
Let's go down one.
Orange bafethu. Uyayiphuza iti white ngebisi. Why too much?
I mean, who you
Guys, maybe you can rate her for us and tell us in the comments. Are we wrong?
later.
Cover this too. It's a 7.5. Clean. Clean.
I mean, I think she's a 10, but not for me.
Aye.
Maybe she's 11.
Aye.
A 10, but not for me.
No, the 11 is the guap. So,
A guap. What's a guap, Vel? I'm not familiar with your slang. What's a guap?
it's money.
Guap. Guap. I mean, I thought guap meant ass or something.
Eh, mara druggle nigga, drug it.
Goes both ways, ne? Hey, on that tone of going both ways. Bafethu. Anibe careful, amadrama. Ngaphuza utshwala ungabazi. Nizobhebhe. Ayikabi ne. But it's something efuna sibe out there bafethu. Cause uzoye drama wena. Bakuthandani bagaya ice choppers vele.
Awuyazi ukuthi buya.
Ayini ice choppers makhitha thandani Hennessy.
Hayi shaweza.
Hayi Hennessy bathi nanje asdash. Bafethu. That's why I don't recommend ukuthi uye kule indawo if you don't afford. Because Dana. Yes. But guys, just putting that message out there ukuthi awuplani bafethu. Mawuthi uye drama. Hambe maybe number 5 people. Emnandi.
5 people.
5 people small.
Uyi-one umgrand baba. Why an actor? Uhlala nama actor la. Akusing 45 rand idampi.
Mina ngiyira.
Simple.
Hayi manje.
Guys,
No, I don't get
I think
the hype about drama.
nice. From outside is nice.
Drama's just, it's mild.
Mild.
Yeah.
Like how?
There are really serious places around. Oh, my
Better
God.
than drama, ne?
Yeah. Drama, I think drama was like for students and stuff. Because
Yeah.
as you check, the one in PTA and the one here, they're
As-
based around students.
Ngenzela ifavor nebhuti. Kosondezela camera ngayo. Yangisho seyiyi main camera. Boy. Cause sibheke la mara nayo camera.
That ain't check out.
Yeah, izokhala. Ube.
What's it?
Ngithi mina I think drama is a ngathini?
Yeah, as I
It's a
said.
classy place.
Okay, look, as I said,
Yeah.
it's not a classic place.
Mhm.
It's just mad, bro. You know, it was made for students. You know,
Yeah.
because you see the location. Even if, but they were their main target was to get students to come in. You know? So look at the location here at Joe's in Bra. You know, it's based around students. Look at PTA in Hatfield.
Yeah.
So it's based around students.
You say it feel good.
Yeah, there's another one in Hatfield.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's not like Konka.
Konka. Is Konka still around?
Yeah, it's in Cape Town.
Seyiphelile. Guys,
But I don't
Cape
know
Town
why
akuhambi
they-
noma ngubani. Cape Town once something goes to Cape Town it's no longer around. Ayisekho local manje. It's international. Because you know that club in Cape Town but in Saint.
Yeah, it's also here at Joe's.
Saint.
Yeah.
What's in 1 million table?
Yo, I didn't.
I've seen a table for around 600k. I think I also saw one for 1 million. Yo,
A table
table
to book a table
reservation.
on a normal event.
Even if it's not a normal event, that's 1 million. Even if it's a special event, Pete Wonkama celebrity, 1 million. So who do you think can afford to go Klama Club now?
The government niggas.
But government, but guys, here's a fun fact: government niggas earn over 120k per month, like the top earners. So how can you afford to go to a club?
The niggas in the
That's why I'm
government
asking.
Obviously have other businesses. Obviously 120k is just like nothing.
Yeah,
It's nothing.
That's
They have
it.
businesses, bro.
yeah.
Outside of all of that. Because they can't buy any business.
You see us?
They can buy
Kugula, we miss you on this podcast. Who can afford to go to a club whereby a table reservation is 1 million?
Soccer player, I think.
Soccer player.
Yeah. Nah,
So how much do you think soccer players are getting per month, for example?
Man.
Yeah.
the highest paid player.
Just to
Like
give you
Michaela.
context. Yeah, to give you
Yeah,
context, the highest paid player
Yeah.
in La Liga, for example, I think it's Kylian Mbappe. Ne?
Mm.
I'm not sure, but that guy earns like 4 million euros or something per month.
Hey, man.
Because it's like 800k per week, something like that. I'm not sure of the exact numbers.
Mina ngithi PSL.
Yeah, that's why I'm giving you context. Ngifuna usho ukuthi
PSL.
compared to laba PSL ithini.
Obvious guy PSL la. Ngemandi.
Yeah.
Super. Uma.
Uhoto's not the biggest highest paid player, but he's the highest paid player in Pirates. Ne?
Porto.
Ngemali.
Who's the highest paid player there?
Say chara kuku.
Yeah, Google.
Not anymore. The last
Now
time-
umuntu
the
ofuna
last time I
sikuvulele
checked, he
la.
was Hoto.
Guys, our fact checker is not working.
Oh,
No,
William.
I'm talking
Utshala
about
malini?
the Pirates.
Sithi PSL.
Yeah, okay.
Utshala malini?
1 million per month.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Oh.
Ngaya kule.
So you think Porto would take his whole salary a Saints, or do you think he has businesses and stuff?
Aye. Not all
Probably.
soccer players of yeah.
Okay, the few, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, and then who? Soccer players, politicians, and then who?
Let me see.
I mean, I would say musicians. Oh, man,
Musicians.
Some musicians babagama rider fi.
musician.
Batheni utshwala, they don't buy
What's the
one
garage
musician.
empty?
Get it right, Afi.
Now, one thing about musicians, they don't actually earn as much as we think they're earning, because these people sign crazy deals on record labels. So that's another day. But so okay, my actors,
Aye.
Actors.
Yeah,
call in South Africa,
yeah,
those who don't live here.
Yeah, conjugal. Coney figures.
Yeah.
Connie.
Yeah.
Yeah, Connie Ferguson.
Yeah.
Yo, that's
So
what.
what? Yeah,
Yeah,
they get it per gig.
Peggy, yeah.
Yeah.
But she has other businesses too.
Sure.
Aye.
Yeah.
One time.
It's a lot of
And the
money.
story says imali ebhayikula le imali bakuphewa.
But the story, I think the story doesn't compare to Imo
Manje yena she owns a thing,
Uva
production
phakathi.
company.
production company.
Yabo.
So the money goes to her.
Yeah, so
it
the
could
money
be
goes
true
to
that
her.
she's the most.
But do
Yeah.
you think owning a production company is valuable in South Africa?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, very.
Yeah.
And South African music industry doesn't
the
pay.
only bad thing about it is it's paying the actors. And you know, actors, they are backup actors and stuff. So
All right, Mike.
Abanye bayawantu like ama-backup actors like abanye baya volunteer. Awuthanda. That's fine.
Yeah, so what's about the pay?
Baya volunteer. Like.
Why volunteer?
Yeah, for skill.
What's about act?
For skill, ama-backup. Lezi
No.
lezi zilokhu zama ngasema.
Yeah, I mean, I know. Okay, in America, maybe, guys.
Mm.
Hey, but that you can even get from $3,000 just for two videos. Huh? Done. I won't mention the name, ne?
Mm.
But I saw an ex of yours on TV.
yo, man. Hey, they're moving different, bro.
Yo,
Hey, they're moving different.
Yeah.
when I'm following this, when I'm also Josie. I'm also Josie in the center of South Africa.
TV, ba.
TV, baba.
Hey, Joe, get started. Hey.
Stand. Okasi la. Awashayele boy, awashayele wena nayi. You are live.
Get started. Look at Pancha.
Ay, takwa
Okay,
sana.
nada.
Pancha. Are Jinder da.
Fair stand. No, but it was interesting, G. But back to Cape Town. So, guys, when I was born, who survived Cape Town?
Yeah.
How much do you earn per month currently?
That's too personal. Bro.
But that's why I'm going that determines which is opina or opina Cape Town.
Young Ditema.
Young determine. But in Cape Town, ne? In Cape Town, but it's a simple breakfast. It's about 50 rand. Quarter, I'm sure you, unless the cars, but I'm talking about the real Cape Town. I bought Kailisha.
Clear.
Kailisha. So you can say Soweto is Jozi, ne? But there's only one Jozi.
Mhm.
Doesn't mean ngalo.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean ngalo. You can't say, for example, I'm the king offender. You can't say it's Soweto, ne? And then they ask you, how's Jozi? You've never been to Jozi yourself. So what I'm trying to say is, the real Cape Town is the city. That's what I'm saying. I survived Cape Town. Yeah, I'm serious.
No, can I get it?
Sure.
I don't understand. I didn't hear you.
You didn't hear me,
Yeah,
ne? What I'm saying is, the real Jozi is here. Do you think Soweto is the real Jozi? When people ask you about Jozi, do you think you can say Soweto?
but they say when they refer to Jozi,
Yeah.
when you hear refer
Yeah.
to Jozi, you say Jozi CBD.
Yeah.
But when you're outside of Jozi and you're talking about Jozi, you are talking about this.
Ah.
Why do you think they
Cool.
say Jozi Upi? Jozi
Hey.
CBD.
I feel,
Yeah.
nah, but guys, me, in my opinion, ne, I feel like you can't say you've been to Jozi. If okay, let's make an example in Cape Town. So Table Mountain, ne? The beachfront, the buildings, everything. That's Cape Town. When it comes to Jozi, Nelson Mandela Bridge, Bram Square, what's that thing called in Hillbrook? Telkom Tower, Vodacom Tower, FNB Stadium.
You said in
Soweto. But it's close to Jozi, so I'll count it as Jozi. Ellis Park Stadium.
Azokutozizothi niyabona kaphuthi mukayabona phuthi
Asenguye.
phuthi
Yeah,
And
you're
yeah.
contradicting what you just said.
Nah, I'm not contradicting. Because the iconic landmarks, I think that's what makes this place Uti Jozi. It's iconic. For me, into vele like Ishwiti Jozi there. When that tower, man. That's Jerusalem.
Mm.
Oh, finally Hillbrook Tower, man. I eat it. But moving on. Serious.
Food.
Well, I think all the
Yeah.
people that think that don't actually stay around. You know.
That's what I'm saying. When they ask you about Jozi, they'll be asking you about this Jozi.
Because the Jozi niggas,
That's the Jozi they know.
the Jozi niggas,
Yeah.
we think as a we in Jozi.
Phela lapho tukwempumalanga.
That's what I'm saying. Me, Nane, I'm representing a point of view. Yeah, people abangahlali eJozi.
Okay.
It's like
And then okay.
then when it comes to Cape Town, also, I'm talking about people who don't live in Cape Town. Within Kulma from that point of view, young tall. Which is why I get to me. When in Cape Town, you are. Let's move on. Put Nant. Ozaput. Sifuna la ku-podcast. Bafethu lo mchitho ngiyana umbhebhe. Umbhebhe ngakho machitho. Uyifugela. Umbhebhe ngakho bona. Urumza. Asidinga umveza fethu.
Abuntatizi.
Bafethu what's going on in South Point, bafethu? I'm not dragging anyone. As these walls, you can literally hear someone talking to the phone. Why?
Hambe central yokuuza.
Why? Sine trauma, bafethu. This is that. You have traumatized me. This is why you.
Manje ustand nomakhelwane wangu kusokwamuzwa nyama.
Akuthulile ngapha. Ngapha ngiyalalela ngapha. Awuboni ngithethela umbhede ulethe ngapha. Ngithethela umbhede ulethe ngapha. Peaceful nga. Hayi le. Baba, literally at 1 a.m. That. I won't mention your name, Maria Zazi, mfana. Wenze masiba face. She's a face. She angapha. Lawyer. Maria lawyer. Huh? But he's standing, man. He's not standing anyone. What does that mean? You don't stand Stana. Yo, Stana can explain this one. You know,
I
Stana.
don't know. I was given the name.
By who?
So you didn't check what does it
Me,
mean?
just check me.
Yang determine says aku ngositshela na usithini ligama. Stan,
Yes.
what does stunning someone?
I don't know him. I won't even lie. I don't know.
We have
Search it.
Google. Because I want to understand when they say stunner, what should tea? That
Impressive person.
impressive person. So did you search that or
something to do with it. Yeah.
so it has something to do with that? It's more than 1 minute.
Let me search it.
Phela bakuzwa yini, that's why. Young determine.
Who?
What does young determine mean?
Fish pools. Long story. It needs alcohol, that one.
Oh. You have enough Martin energy.
I'll determine is 15 put. That's not. How much more
Wait, can
determine?
I stop you guys? Here's the meaning. A person who is very attractive or someone who shows off good cool style and wealth and flashy lifestyle.
How's it?
Yeah.
So that's you.
I don't know you tell me.
Or is that you or is that your dream or your goal? Like understand what Elkama, you believe it's me now or you believe that's where I wanna go?
I'd say that's where I wanna go, so I'm manifesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I Yes, Mpumelelo anytime.
They have so manifest.
Bal.
Yeah.
Oh, so ustan so basically ufuna check wethu la. Usho ukuthi ustana so change the story manje beyangalala. Lapho. No, I think
No, I didn't know what the name really meant.
yeah.
But
But-
it's actually what I'm manifesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think I get you. But ungalas.
I didn't know.
Okay.
As I said,
But it's nice, yabona.
I just got that name recently.
Uyathemba lo muntu okunikele lo gama boy.
Intolapho.
Themba yeah. Okay, young determine. Konje bosakhuluma boy.
Oyi bengisho futhi yabo. Determine like thola like eish mfethu funa. Angithola. Yeah. Yeah. Imphi purpose that in danko pose.
So wena ufuna ngathi manje uyafuna lento oyifuna.
Cha futhi. Ufika. Nawe uyangibona.
But do you think siphumelele since it's la rest?
Hayi.
That's all I wanted to know because I mean I feel like the rest is just a temporary. Ungekho serious ekhaya baba. Uzobuyela ekhaya.
No,
Bakukhumbula futhi.
only well, not all. Some of the people that come from the rurals and other provinces, when they come here, it's like a thing of they've achieved in life because they're in Jozi. Because when they're that side, Jozi is a dream. It's like when you're in America somewhere, you want to go to Los Angeles, So that's what I think about it. They think it's a dream.
I have a question. Let me put you in this scenario, ne? Tala A Dobsonville. You're a security guard. Ne?
Yes.
Would you be happy with that job? Like Uti, for the rest of your life you shall expand it.
I wouldn't.
You want to come to Jozi and get a better job. Because you mean the biggest companies are in Sentin.
Okay.
Is that Latin? Some people here are aiming for Sentin, not actually. Because Ekasi, in Pumalanga, for example, there are some nice jobs. We have the mine and stuff. But then there's no company like the JSE, Johannesburg Stock.
Yeah.
There's no company like Uklama company. Sentin.
All I can say,
Sure.
Hey put a
each and every place,
put.
in each and every place.
Uyazelaphi him?
But about the houses on outside, I'm fine. Nama Nigeria, every corner.
Relax, atavolo nje.
So kubeka Stana.
Kubeka ke fit. Kubeka.
As I was saying,
Yeah.
every province has its own operational system. They have their own beliefs, you know.
Uh-huh.
And in our other provinces, I think that there aren't many of those nice jobs that they want. So Jos is the only place where you can find everything. You get it? So in each and every place in the northwest, everyone wants to work in the mine. And that's the job they really value that side. You know, mining. You check. So that's the only thing. So hence they also come this side to get more opportunity. You get it? So and that side it's limited. Not everyone likes mining, you know. So obviously whatever they want to do, chooses the place.
Okay, Stana, back to my question. Before ungena young determine because ngiyazi ufuna uku-add-a la kulelo. Back to my question. Do you think okay, let's say you're from Jozi, ne?
Yes.
When personally you don't think you've made it, Maulares, or do you think you've made it? That's my question. Ufila ngathi uphakeme, or do you feel like this is just
It's
temporary?
just the stage.
Yeah.
I just say it's just the stage.
Yeah.
It's nothing flashy, it's nothing, you know.
The reason I ask this is I'm very much young determined is because it's because uthe wena
Iba.
then and then wathi ngibheke okunento engibuze yona, there's something I asked you and then when you said angibheke.
Ba.
Yeah.
Yeah, determined.
Oh.
As I said,
So who's your dream guest to play podcast before Siva?
the guest that would make me go
Why?
I not like that. I wouldn't think of it like that. But like
Oh.
a guest that I would really like to pull up is a Remo. I wanna know the story of hers and Roya. You know? Kanjani, I think.
So understand. Wait. Guys, I have a question. Lento Stana yenzayo ngeke ngivale le episode ngingakambuzi. Stana,
Do you
do you
believe
believe in celebrity?
like
Do you believe ukuthi
Ah,
umuntu can be happy
I only
ngokuthi amithe
praise, I
umuntu
only
amthanda?
praise my Lord.
okay?
Praise.
That's crazy.
Guys, it's different when you are
I
praising
respect-
someone
I
from
respect-
when you
I
are
respect
giving
the
someone their
hustle.
flower.
I respect the
Ustana.
hustle.
Like ujwayele ukubloma
Ayashisa leya kwami. I feel it, guys. No.
angithi. Man, may they rest in
Kilakau.
peace. Kilakau.
RIP Kilakau.
Ngitsho kuyajeva na.
Whatever now, Stana fe. Okay, bheka ke. Siyozwena ke. Who's that guest that would make you go high manje siyahamba?
Kanjani? La
Guess if celebrity nje. La South Africa, obviously.
Philippi.
Sorry bathandi baka. Naki nyakastrata kinangwana. Okay, hi guys. My name is King PT. Young determined. Awivale da.
Oh yebo.
Stana.
Kistan. Lanka. Liko kasi banka.
Next episode we'll have some guests for you guys, but this was our first episode. Thank you very, very much for watching to this point. If you've watched it to this point, and thank you.